Did you know that the wealthiest 1% of Americans hold more wealth than the bottom 90% combined? Now that's a staggering statistic, isn't it? But here's something even more fascinating. Amidst this wealth chasm, there's a powerful tool that both the ultra-rich and the financially savvy wield to build and maintain their prosperity: credit. Welcome back to Satoshi Finance, where we unravel the mysteries behind money and success. Today, we're diving into the intriguing world of how the rich utilize credit. It's not just about flashy purchases or extravagant lifestyles, it's a strategic game that can elevate one's financial standing to new heights. In this episode, we'll uncover the secrets behind the affluent's approach to credit. From leveraging assets to accessing capital and managing cash flow, we'll explore the strategies that set them apart. But beware, it's not all glitz and glamour. There are pitfalls to navigate and lessons to be learned. So buckle up and prepare to embark on a journey into the realm where wealth and credit intersect. By the end of this video, you'll walk away with insights that could reshape your financial future forever. Without further ado, let's dive in. In the world of personal finance, credit stands as a cornerstone, often misunderstood, yet undeniably influential. At its core, credit is a financial tool that allows individuals to borrow money or access goods and services with the promise of repayment in the future. Its importance cannot be overstated. From purchasing a home to funding education or starting a business, credit empowers individuals to achieve their goals and aspirations. Yet, amidst its utility, credit remains a subject clouded in misconception, perpetuating myths that paint it as a crutch solely for the financially challenged. One prevailing fallacy is the notion that only those in dire financial straits rely on credit. This misconception overlooks the strategic role credit plays in the lives of the affluent and financially astute. Contrary to popular belief, the wealthy leverage credit not out of necessity, but as a calculated means to grow and preserve their wealth. Rather than viewing credit as a burden, they harness it as a tool for wealth creation, capitalizing on opportunities that may otherwise be out of reach. This paradigm shift challenges conventional wisdom, inviting us to reevaluate our perceptions of credit and its role in personal finance. Understanding the basics of credit is essential for navigating the complex landscape of personal finance. Credit manifests in various forms, each serving distinct purposes and carrying unique implications for financial health. Among the most common types are credit cards, loans, and lines of credit. Credit cards offer convenient access to funds for purchases, with the flexibility to repay over time or in full each month. Loans, on the other hand, provide lump sum amounts for specific purposes like buying a car, financing education, or consolidating debt, typically repaid with interest over a set period. Lines of credit offer a revolving credit limit that can be tapped into as needed, akin to a safety net for unexpected expenses or investment opportunities. Central to the credit landscape is the concept of credit scores, numerical representations of an individual's creditworthiness. These scores, typically ranging from 300 to 850, are based on factors such as payment history, credit utilization, length of credit history, types of credit used, and new credit inquiries. They serve as a barometer for lenders, indicating the risk associated with extending credit to a particular individual. A high credit score signifies responsible financial behavior and can translate into favorable loan terms, lower interest rates, and access to higher credit limits. Conversely, a low credit score may limit borrowing options, result in higher interest rates, or even lead to outright denials of credit. Thus, understanding credit scores and actively managing them is crucial for anyone seeking to make informed financial decisions and achieve their long-term goals. For the wealthy, credit isn't just a means of making ends meet. It's a strategic tool for building and expanding their wealth portfolios. One of the primary benefits they enjoy is access to capital. By leveraging credit, the affluent can seize lucrative investment opportunities that may require substantial upfront capital, such as real estate ventures, stock market investments, or funding new business ventures. Rather than relying solely on their liquid assets, they use credit to amplify their purchasing power, unlocking doors to potentially high-yielding ventures that might otherwise be out of reach. Moreover, credit plays a vital role in the sophisticated cash flow management strategies employed by the wealthy. These individuals understand that financial markets fluctuate and opportunities arise unpredictably. By strategically utilizing credit, they can smooth out cash flow irregularities, ensuring they have readily available funds to seize promising investments or navigate temporary setbacks without disrupting their overall financial stability. In essence, credit acts as a financial buffer, enabling the wealthy to capitalize on opportunities while maintaining liquidity and financial flexibility. Additionally, the wealthy recognize the power of leveraging assets through credit. Rather than liquidating valuable holdings to fund new ventures or investments, they use credit lines secured against existing assets such as real estate, stocks, or business holdings. This approach allows them to preserve their capital while accessing additional funds to expand their wealth-generating activities. By judiciously leveraging their assets, the affluent can amplify their returns and accelerate wealth accumulation, creating a multiplier effect that propels them further along the path to financial success. If you've made it this far, consider taking a moment to subscribe to our channel. Subscribing is absolutely free, and you can always change your mind. We have a wealth of financial insights and exciting discussions lined up for you. Your support not only helps us reach a broader audience, but also motivates us to continue creating high-quality content that educates and empowers viewers like you. So, hit that subscribe button, stay tuned, and join us on this journey towards financial empowerment. Thank you for being a part of our community. Using credit wisely is a hallmark of financial prudence, and the wealthy understand the importance of employing strategies that optimize the benefits of credit while minimizing its costs. One such strategy is the practice of paying off credit card balances in full each month. By settling their balances promptly, affluent individuals avoid accruing high interest charges, which can erode wealth over time. Instead of falling into the trap of revolving debt, they treat credit cards as convenient payment tools rather than sources of long-term financing, ensuring that they remain in control of their financial obligations. Furthermore, the wealthy leverage credit cards with rewards programs to their advantage, maximizing the benefits offered by issuers. These savvy consumers carefully select cards that align with their spending habits and lifestyle preferences, earning cashback, travel rewards, or other perks on their everyday purchases. By channeling their expenses through reward-earning credit cards and paying off balances in full, affluent individuals can effectively earn bonuses or incentives on their regular spending, effectively turning everyday purchases into opportunities to enhance their financial position. In addition to optimizing rewards, the wealthy are adept at negotiating lower interest rates with lenders based on their creditworthiness. Armed with strong credit profiles and a track record of responsible financial behavior, they have the leverage to request reduced interest rates on existing credit accounts, such as mortgages or personal loans. By advocating for better terms, affluent borrowers can lower their borrowing costs, freeing up funds that can be redirected towards wealth-building endeavors or debt repayment strategies. This proactive approach to managing credit not only saves money in the long run, but also reflects a commitment to financial stewardship and prudent resource allocation. While credit can be a valuable tool for building wealth, it also carries inherent risks that can derail financial stability if not managed prudently. One common pitfall to avoid is overspending, where individuals succumb to the temptation of borrowing beyond their means, leading to mounting debt and financial strain. Whether fueled by consumerism or unexpected emergencies, excessive borrowing can quickly spiral out of control, resulting in a cycle of debt repayment that stifles wealth-building efforts. The wealthy understand the importance of living within their means and exercising restraint when it comes to leveraging credit, prioritizing disciplined spending habits over instant gratification to safeguard their long-term financial well-being. Another critical pitfall is neglecting credit utilization, a key factor that influences credit scores and overall financial health. Maxing out credit lines or carrying high balances relative to credit limits can signal financial distress to lenders, leading to lower credit scores and diminished borrowing opportunities. The affluent recognize the importance of maintaining a low credit utilization ratio, strategically managing their credit balances to demonstrate responsible credit usage and preserve their borrowing capacity. By keeping credit utilization in check and avoiding excessive debt accumulation, they protect their creditworthiness and maintain access to favorable loan terms, enabling them to continue leveraging credit effectively to build wealth. Lastly, ignoring the terms and conditions of credit agreements can expose individuals to costly mistakes and financial pitfalls. From hidden fees and variable interest rates to penalty clauses and credit card rewards limitations, the fine print of credit contracts can have significant implications for borrowers' financial outcomes. The wealthy approach credit agreements with meticulous attention to detail, thoroughly reviewing terms and conditions to ensure full comprehension and mitigate potential risks. By staying informed and proactive, they minimize the likelihood of unpleasant surprises and empower themselves to make informed decisions that align with their financial objectives. Building and maintaining excellent credit is a cornerstone of financial success, and the wealthy understand the importance of cultivating a strong credit profile to unlock opportunities and secure favorable financial terms. One fundamental tip for improving credit scores is to prioritize timely bill payments, as payment history accounts for a significant portion of credit scoring models. By consistently paying bills on time, individuals demonstrate reliability and responsibility to lenders, which can positively impact their credit worthiness. Additionally, keeping credit card balances low relative to credit limits can help maintain a healthy credit utilization ratio, further bolstering credit scores. The affluent prioritize prudent financial habits, such as budgeting and monitoring spending, to ensure they can comfortably manage credit obligations without accruing excessive debt. In addition to proactive credit management practices, regular monitoring of credit reports is essential for detecting errors and identifying potential instances of identity theft. The wealthy recognize the importance of vigilance in safeguarding their credit information, routinely reviewing credit reports from major credit bureaus to spot inaccuracies or suspicious activity. By promptly addressing discrepancies and reporting fraudulent transactions, they mitigate the risk of adverse impacts on their credit profiles and financial standing. Furthermore, strategies for maintaining good credit habits over the long term involve fostering a mindset of financial discipline and responsibility. This includes refraining from unnecessary credit inquiries, avoiding opening multiple new accounts simultaneously, and refraining from closing old accounts with positive payment histories, all of which can help preserve credit scores and support ongoing financial stability. Through consistent adherence to sound credit management principles, the affluent lay the foundation for enduring financial success and access to opportunities for wealth accumulation. In conclusion, we've delved into the world of strategic credit utilization among the wealthy, uncovering valuable insights and lessons that can transform the way we approach personal finance. Throughout this exploration, we've learned that credit isn't just a tool for the financially challenged, it's a powerful asset wielded by the affluent to build and preserve wealth. From accessing capital for lucrative investments to managing cash flow and leveraging assets, the wealthy employ credit in multifaceted ways to enhance their financial positions and seize opportunities for growth. As we wrap up, I encourage you to reflect on your own credit habits and consider how you can apply the principles discussed to improve your financial well-being, whether it's paying bills on time, monitoring credit reports for accuracy, or adopting strategies for responsible credit usage. There are actionable steps you can take to strengthen your credit profile and position yourself for success. By adopting a strategic approach to credit management and embracing sound financial practices, you can empower yourself to achieve your goals and aspirations, ultimately paving the way towards a more prosperous future. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and remember, the path to financial success begins with informed decision-making and a commitment to lifelong learning. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more insightful content and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks again for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.